Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm cooking chicken masala. So I'm cutting my boneless chicken thighs into just small size pieces. You can use chicken on the bone, but I'm using boneless chicken thighs here, and then just cutting the chicken thighs. Now I'm going to marinate my chicken. I just need half a teaspoon of salt, and some chili, about half a tablespoon. I'm using 2 tablespoons of yogurt, just a natural yogurt. Also, I'm adding half a tablespoon of turmeric. Just mixing this and marinate for 30 minutes. I'm marinating for 30 minutes. Adding oil in a large saucepan. You can just use any oil that you have. Make sure the oil is nice and hot. Now I'm going to add my diced onion. So just cook the onion for about 1 to 2 minutes. While the onion is starting to change color, I'm going to add a tablespoon of garlic paste and then a tablespoon of ginger paste. Then I'm going to cook this together for about 2 minutes. So guys, this is how I cook my chicken masala. Let me know in the comment section how you make yours, but this is how I cook mine. And now I'm just gonna start to add more spices. My onion and garlic and ginger are looking cooked, and now I'm starting to add more spices. Now I'm going to add coriander powder. a teaspoon of or coriander powder, and a teaspoon of cumin, and a teaspoon of black pepper, and also I'm going to add a teaspoon of garam masala, or I think even a tablespoon, just a little bit more garam masala, a tablespoon of garam masala, yeah, a tablespoon of garam masala. Cook the spices until they are nice and golden brown. So I cook the spices for about 2 minutes. I'm also going to add some paprika. Now I'm just going to cook the marinated chicken. So bringing the marinated chicken and cook until the chicken is starting to brown. So just cook the chicken in these spices, and then we'll go to the next stage of adding the tomatoes. Now I'm going to add a can of tomatoes. I prefer a can of tomatoes. If you've got tomato paste, you can use that, but I'm using a can of tomatoes. And just bring this to boil. Bring this to boil, and I am going to add a cup of water. A cup of water. Now I'm going to simmer this for about 20 to 30 minutes until the sauce is nice and thick. I'm just adding a little bit of salt for taste and simmer for 20 to 30 minutes. This was delicious, guys. Make sure you try this recipe. It's so easy to make. After 20 minutes, this is how the chicken is looking. I'm going to simmer a little bit more to reduce, to make it a little bit thick. Alright, after 30 minutes, this is my chicken masala. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.